We're going to begin with a quick overview of the laryngeal cartilages. Starting from the top, the epiglottis is a flap of cartilage that covers your tracheal opening. You then have the thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, arytenoid cartilage, and corniculate cartilage, which is attached to the arytenoids. The rim glottis is the opening between the vocals. The first muscle to talk about is the cricothyroid muscle. When this muscle contracts, the thyroid cartilage is pulled anteriorly and inferiorly. This increases tension on the vocal cords and increases pitch, just like with a guitar string. The posterior cricoarytenoid muscle attaches from the cricoid cartilage to the arytenoid cartilage. As it contracts, it rotates the arytenoid cartilage externally, causing the vocal cords to separate, increasing the size of the rim glottis for inhalation. Contraction of the lateral cricoarytenoid muscle performs the opposite action, rotating the arytenoid cartilage internally and bringing the vocal cords closer together, and can be used for whispering. The thyroarytenoid and more medial vocalis muscles contract to decrease the tension on the vocal cords, decreasing the pitch. And then finally, the transverse and oblique arytenoids contract to bring the vocal cords closer together to assist with sound production.